Hi, and welcome to Scrapbook.com. Do you prefer sending funny holiday cards? We have the perfect stamp set for you. The Naughty and Nice stamp set features fun sentiments perfect for giving a holiday chuckle to your friends via snail mail. This lighthearted stamp set includes 10 fun and somewhat snarky sentiments on a 4x6 sheet. This set is perfect for the card maker who loves to send funny holiday cards. This stamp set is one of my very favorites because it has lots of just fun and funny sayings that would be perfect for those friends that just, you laugh with, you have fun with. The first one says, "Thanks for the gift card. Please enjoy this gift card of equal or lesser value." So if you trade gift cards in your family, this is the perfect card for you. This one says, "All I want for Christmas is peace and quiet." I like this font. "You slay me." This would be great to put on a gift tag. "This was not on your list." I like this one. "So great to be on the naughty list with you." Let's face it, we all have friends that you're on the naughty list together, and it's so much fun. I like this one. "You are my very own Santa." This is cute. "It's Christmas. Calories don't count." This is for that person who gets all wound up around the holidays. "Don't get your tinsel in a tangle." I like this one. This is kind of me in a nutshell. 364 days of fun, 1 day of coal, worth it. And then this one, check 1. Nice, naughty, I tried. Just the fun, perfect stamp set to have an enjoyable time making snarky little cards for your friends. Now let me share a few samples with you. I love this little mouse eating cheese with the "It's Christmas, calories don't count. He looks like Gus Gus." So adorable. This one is white on white, absolutely stunning with an embossed background. "You are my very own Santa." And then the little letter at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to try and tilt it so you can see how beautiful the embossed background is. Quick and easy card, but look how stunning. This is my favorite. It's a coal card. So it says, "Spoiler alert, it's coal. You know why." This card mixes 2 sets. So you're also including the "Santa doesn't believe in you either," as well as the 364 days of fun, 1 day of coal, worth it. And then the check 1, naughty, nice, I tried. Love that. And then the coal cut out of the sparkle paper. So fun, not a typical Christmas card. Absolutely adorable. This is the Naughty and Nice stamp set. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.